Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it. And that's because we are focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. And as much as we think we are doing a great job, it's customers like this that tell us about their experience that make us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing to us is to know from them that we are doing a great job. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we will work very hard to earn both. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.